Having a beautiful yard doesn't have to be difficult. You can easily transform your yard with the right hardscape or landscape. Most people opt in for grass, but they are missing out because there are other options that are perfect for beautifying your yard. In this video, Buzzworthy Ideas showcases some inspiring yard landscapes that you might consider for your journey. In these first few slides we start off with some beautiful hardscape in the form of pavers. Pavers are sturdy, easy to clean, provide a firm ground to walk on and give your yard a luxurious look. Even though they are on the more expensive side, they sure do provide a look you can't go wrong with. With this type of hardscape, the possibilities for creativity are endless. You can implement a variety of things like create cement benches and seating areas, barbecue dens and beautiful fire pit spaces to entertain. One of the best things about using pavers is that you can play around with the colors and let your creativity run wild. You can spice up your yard by selecting colors that complement each other like the common dark brown and light gray, or even a dark red and dark gray. You can also choose different sizes and shapes and even position the pavers on the ground in whatever position you'd like. Next on the list of options, we have gravel. Gravel is another great alternative to aid you in your yard transformation journey. By using gravel, you can easily create beautiful gravel walkways or even combine it with large pavers and create paths that lead to a garden or relaxation area. Some of the creative things you can do with gravel are to have only parts of the yard covered in gravel, usually areas that are lightly trafficked like small gardens or side yard walkways. You may decide to go with unique desert landscaping with a variety of desert vegetation that complement your sea of gravel. Most yards opt in for using gravel in common areas such as around the fire pit or lounge areas. They are the most beautiful when you select the right color that complements the walls surrounding the property or any existing structure sitting on the gravel. Get creative and go for both dark and light colors to create a really nice aesthetic vibe. Next on the list we have mulch. Similar to grass, mulch provides a soft and smooth ground to walk on. Although most commonly used in small parts of a yard, mulch is the perfect element for small garden areas where you want the feel to be more natural. As with the other types of landscaping you can use, mulch is perfect to combine with grass, gravel or pavers. Mulch blends in perfectly with landscape designs and helps create very beautiful scenery. Since mulch is usually used around walkways, floral areas and stepping areas, it really stands out when combined with any of one of the other options. Additionally, since its purpose is mostly used to add a creative design element to the landscape, it is very common to use mulch in the front yard to help create some beautiful curve appeal. Check out the links below if you'd like to buy items that will transform your yard in the blink of an eye.
Thanks for watching! Let us know in the comments below which ideas was your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content from Buzzworthy Ideas.